channel. It's still catch you right here. If you are new, subscribe button is always down below. Please hit it, and if you're not new, thank you for coming back and welcome back home. So in today's video, we're going to be sipping some tea and pouring some tea on our head because we're going to be talking about tea rinses. Yeah guys, tea rinses have been like popular in the natural hair or in the hair community in general because tea rinses help to prevent breakage. Some people like, why, how does it help? How does it help? How does it help? Now the chemistry behind it. Tea in general contains caffeine. This caffeine helps to block out DHT, the dihydrotestosterone. I don't know how to pronounce that word, but I hope I got it. That causes shedding. So this caffeine blocks it out from acting up on your hair. So when you do a tea rinse, you're kind of helping your hair to like shed less. Aside from preventing shedding, tea rinses also help to make your hair shiny, help to improve hair growth, and darkens your hair because everybody wants to have like dark natural hair that's popping. So yeah, tea rinses help to do all that. But the thing you have to know about tea rinses is that tea rinses dry out your hair, so don't overdo it. And when you do it, you make sure that you follow up with a deep conditioner that you really like. Most of the time I use my Beauty Formula's intense hair treatment, or I use my argan oil hair mask. And don't overdo it. Like, you need to notice that your hair has stopped shedding like as much as you used to shed before. Cut down on tea rinses. Do not do it every other wash day, but don't do it on every wash day. I do my tea rinses I went from doing it every week to once a month because I love tea rinses. I really love it. Like, that's my favorite part of the whole thing. Tea rinses also help to strengthen your hair. Like, it's preventing shedding. That means your hair has to be definitely strong. So it helps to strengthen your hair. Doing black tea or green tea depends on you. The tea I use for my tea rinses are, I use Lipton and I use one other green tea. I can't remember the name. Why do I use Lipton? Because Lipton is actually very affordable and it's readily available. Green tea is more expensive than Lipton. You can even get Lipton in like this kind of nylon for like 20 naira or so. I don't know, like 20 naira. That's how cheap it is. So all you need is just hot water and the Lipton tea. This one has 2 bags in it, so that's all you need. Make sure that when you are doing the tea rinse, make sure the water is cool. Like, don't use the hot water. Like, when people always make this and they go and get heat damage from a tea rinse, because they said this tea does not mean it has to be hot tea. Use for it to cool. And if you're using decaf tea, you can leave the tea bag in the hot water for as long as you want to leave it. But if you're using fully caffeinated tea, you have to know that you have to take it out of the water after like 3 to 5 minutes, because caffeine dries out your hair. Tea rinses dry out your hair, so you don't want if the caffeine in the tea rinse is too much, it's going to dry out your hair like crazy. But if you want to leave that as long as you want to, then do it. But make sure you follow up with the deep conditioner that you like, that does the work for you and locks in moisture. So let's just get right into the demo. Okay guys, for this I use my Lipton yellow label tea, which is black tea, and a cup of boiling hot water. I proceeded to add 2 tea bags into the cup of hot water. And I waited for it to cool down. Make sure you use only the cool tea for your tea rinses. Do not use hot water, and don't forget to follow up with a deep conditioner that would help you to lock in moisture and bring in all the moisture back, because caffeine dries out your hair and your body. And yeah, this is how I just make my tea rinses. I'll wait for the Lipton tea to sit in the tea for about 30 minutes while it's cooling. And these are the advantages of tea rinses. Yeah. So I'm back guys. I hope you guys learned 1 or 2 things in this video. And if you did, please tell me down in the comment section. I hope you guys like this video. And subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends to subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends. And like this video. Follow me on social media across social media platforms at Natural Catching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.